So you just spent your life savings on a brand new 1-bit hard drive,
Bruh.
but you don't know how to install it? No problem, we got your back. A hard drive is a storage device that uses magnetic plates for data storage. Your hard drive comes in two form factors, 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch. The hard drive will connect to your motherboard via a SATA connection, or if you're living in the 1920s, then it might be via a PATA connection. First, you'll need to remove the thumb screws on the side of your computer and take off the side panel. Now that your side panel is removed, you want to find your drive bays, typically found at the front of the case. Then you take your trusty new hard drive and line it up with the screw mounts and slide it into place. Once the screws on the drive are lined up with the screw holes on the case, you can use the screws, which should be included with your hard drive, to screw it in. Or if you're a true baller, you might have toolless drive bays. In this case, all you need to do is slide the hard drive into place, and you should be all set. As soon as your hard drive is mounted into your drive bay, you can start hooking it up to the motherboard. The first thing you want to do is find your SATA cable, which is a smaller L-shaped connection that lines up with a port on your hard drive and a port on the motherboard. After you connect your SATA data, you will need to connect the 15-pin SATA power cable, which should come from your power supply. This larger connector has a small notch for proper installation, and make sure it's connected to your power supply, as you may have a semi-modular or fully modular power supply. And just like that, your new hard drive is installed. Just slide on the side panel, screw in the thumb screws, and you're ready to download your favorite games and applications, like Fortnite.